Hello and welcome to Everything in Cosmos. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Today we will talk about the hidden expenses of home ownership in this video. The cost of owning your home is a major investment. However, it's also important to take into account the extra expenses. We'll discuss in this video some of the hidden expenses of home ownership that you should be aware of prior to making a purchase decision. Cost 1. Property tax. One of home ownership's biggest costs is the property tax. The local government assesses these taxes, which are calculated based upon the home's worth. Your property tax can differ greatly based on where you reside and increase with time. As your home's value rises, you should factor in property taxes to your budget so that you don't get any unpleasant surprises. Cost 2. Repairs and maintenance. Owning your own home means you are responsible for repairs and maintenance. The cost can range from maintenance like cleaning gutters or changing air filters to repairs such as roof leaks or appliances that break. These expenses can be expensive and should be budgeted for. Cost 3. Homeowners insurance. Homeowners insurance is another cost that homeowners often overlook. It protects you and your belongings against theft, fires, and other insured events. Cost of homeowners insurance vary depending on your house's value and coverage level. Cost 4. Homeowners Association fees, HOAs. If you are a homeowner in an association-governed community, it is possible that you will be charged HOAs. They are collected to cover the costs of maintaining public areas like parks and swimming pools. HOA fees are subject to wide variations, which is why it is crucial that you understand them before buying in a neighborhood with an HOA. Cost 5. Closing fees. Closing fees are associated with completing the sale of your home. This can include appraisal and loan origination charges, as well as title fees. Closing costs are often several $1,000s, and it is important to include them in your budget when you buy a home. Cost 6. Utilities. When budgeting to become a homeowner, you should consider costs such as utilities, internet, and cable. Costs can differ depending on your location and home size, along with your own personal use. Cost 7. The opportunity cost. The opportunity cost is an important factor to consider when calculating the homeownership cost. The opportunity cost is what you give up when buying a house. If you use your savings to pay for the down payment on a house, then you might be losing out on an opportunity to invest the money in other areas, like the stock exchange or business ventures. Before making any decisions, it's crucial to consider the potential benefits and costs of home ownership. Owning a house comes with many hidden expenses that add up fast. When budgeting for home ownership, it is important to take into account property taxes, repairs and maintenance, HOA dues, HOA insurance fees, closing expenses, utility costs, and other expenses, as well as opportunity cost. Understanding these hidden costs will help you make a more informed decision and prevent any unpleasant financial surprises. It's crucial to consider the long-term implications of buying a house and to make an informed decision. Thank you for watching and thank you for hanging out with us. If you like this video, please give us a like and subscribe to Everything in Cosmos. No pressure if you don't want to. Check out our other videos on finance, stocks, and crypto. Till we meet again, have a wonderful day.